17. 17 is and will be for us still a really singular vintage. 17 is the third point of a trilogy, 100% connect with 15 and 16. Because an unusual dry vintage, we were drier than 16 and 16 was drier already than 15. If you forget the frost is first, just in parenthèse, in a really early, warm and dry spring. And because the spring is usually making the weight per berry, the concentration, the natural concentration of tannins, etc. With June 17, we were higher in water stress than 2011, so it's just giving you an idea of which kind of concentration we're talking about. So thanks to 2 weeks of rain at the end of June, a kind of relaxation for the vegetation for us too, to be honest. After that we had a normal water stress level in July and August, but with a really dry condition again until the picking dates of Merlot, until September 8 and 12. We were really dry until the end, but cooler than the normal. So it's connecting, it's making a really unusual combination of deep structure, soft tannins, and really fresh and elegant aromatic coming from July and August, because July was -1 degrees to compare with the normal, so really dry and cooler than the normal. So 17 is first the conclusion, because 18 will be totally different, 14 was different. So 15, 16, 17 are one of the only trilogy we ever had in Bordeaux, with a constant level of density in some part of Bordeaux. It's maybe the more diverse, the more heterogeneous vintage we ever had in the last 3 years, sure. But in some places where we had this level of droughts and this quite early Merlot picking dates, combinating with really late Cabernet Franc picking date, it's making a beautiful result. And it's impossible for us to have an idea of difference of quality level between these 3 vintages. They are all different, but for the Merlot side, by the Merlot side, the 17 are quite solar, quite the creaminess of 15, but the Boucher, the Cabernet Franc, are totally connect with 16. They are really serious, really with strong tension. And really fresh, aromatic, and incredible density and softness of tannins, really long ripeness. Voilà.